Smells evil, yeah. These things are obsolete, the stagger here, yeah.
No, that's what the billfish people still use.
Grind it like that.
Okay.
So that the epoxy will stick a lot better. Yeah, if you, I'll give you a marking pen. You can mark those 3/4 of an inch and then do that. My name's Jeff Walker. I lived in Kona since 1981. I mainly handline fish over here for ahi and the bottom fish, the pakas and onaga. It's great to get the fishermen in with the scientists and stuff like that. At least some of these guys are thinking about how to deal with the sharks when they catch them and stuff. And you know, before there was a no-brainer: just shoot them and then cut off the line. But that's not happening anymore.
We have this opportunity to work here and to work with the local fishing community to make management decisions based on science, common sense, but then also I think with this dialogue that we've created is that the fishers have more of a voice.
My name's Captain Rick Rieger. This is my boat, the Sea Spirit, and we're participating in the Shark Tagger program with Melanie Hutchinson. One of the things that I'm most happy about with this project is the education that Melanie's offering and all the outreach. It's definitely changed my perspective over 20 years of fishing. It's really made me want to just be more of a steward to the environment, I guess.
Anyway, formed a.
I came down to try and work on my boat and I couldn't even do it. I was like,
Ready to go.
Thank you all so much for coming to our little workshop to teach you guys how to tag some sharks. Shark populations are declining and it's because of overfishing. So we have a whole bunch of these spaghetti ID tags for you guys to put out so that we can get just some basic interaction data. We have instructions on how to build a tagging pole. It is a broomstick with a hole in it and then you glue the applicator into it. There's an instruction guide with a picture of how to put the anchor on the applicator pin. And then we will reimburse you financially if you provide the data card and a photo. We're in Kona, we're fishing with one of the local Ikashibi tuna fishing guys, and if there are any sharks, we're going to implant some acoustic tags, and then we also have a few different satellite tags to put on them. We're using a combination of electronic tags and ID tags and looking at interaction rates of the fishery, trying to understand the environmental variables that can predict presence, absence, when they show up, why, and what they're doing here.
So I put the bait, chum in there, and I drop this down to whatever level I want, which is usually about 120 feet. And I stop it, shake the main line, and dumps the chum and bait out all together. One of the other things I'm really been happy about is Melanie's participation with us, like being in the trenches, so to speak, coming out with us. That just really makes myself and a lot of the other guys feel like, you know, we're in this together, and it's not like your team against our team. We really appreciate that. And yeah, just her overall knowledge. I've learned so much through this program, and just really happy to be a part of it.